Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will got something really exciting for you all my Indian community, where I am going to assemble and program new desktop robot. So in this video we will start the complete assembly step by step so every beginners can follow. After that I will show you how to program this robot and you can program accordingly your theme. We have all the component laid out, so I set the OLED display in frame and here the touch sensor, ESP32-C3 and buzzer also, and I fix all the component in frame. For this desktop robot, I have printed all the part using my 3D printer. If you like to have something print with a 3D printer as well, just let me know. This is the top mount of our robot, you can check the quality. Attach all the accessories and fix in the box. Now I fix the component frame in this robot box. It's a really smooth and you can easily fit it inside the box. Our desktop robot is ready for program. I will give you link in description. So click on install and select the COM port and connect. After that click on install the Moji. So firmware installation complete successfully. After that now click on setup the Moji, convert English and connect ESP, select COM port. Here in my case I select COM5. Here the interface where I program our Moji. So go to hardware, select display, I select SSH1106 because I am using 1.3 OLED display. And here the language select English. On the default home page, you can customize your setting here, such as what should happen on single tap, what should happen on double tap, and what should happen on long tap. So you can select these options from these settings. After complete all these, click on save setting. So after building the robot, and here the big news for all Indian community, to celebrate this build we are hosting a giveaway. If you want to chance to win this awesome desktop robot, so all you need to like the video, drop a comment and share with your friends. After 10 days I will announce the giveaway result. Until then, make sure to participate as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the future project and more giveaway. Until the next time.